Hello everyone, welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas and today we're going to show you a very delicious cocktail as usual. So obviously this is not going to be the exception. Today we're going to work with this little guy, Fugu, which is obviously Cutwater, one of the best things that you can find in the market. And this one is Jamaica. For those that don't understand what Jamaica is hibiscus. So we're going to make a spicy hibiscus martini. Please stay with me. Let me show you how this guy is done. Okay, so what are we going to need for the hibiscus spicy martini cocktail? Very simple. You're going to need the vodka hibiscus by Fugo. We're going to need a little bit of lime juice, simple syrup, some cilantro, and a small jalapeno, and lots of creativity. So let's get into it, and we're going to start by pouring 2 ounces per cocktail. So let's go 4. Then we're going to go for 1 full ounce of lime juice. Obviously 2 cocktails. Let's go for 2 ounces. Make sure you guys that always get some fresh lime juice, lemon juice, orange juice, grapefruit juice. It makes an amazing, remarkable difference on your cocktails. I promise you that. Okay? Simple syrup. So it's going to be 1 ounce of each per each cocktail. So we're going to go for 2 ounces. So you're going to have a few leaves of cilantro. You're going to have like 3 slices of jalapeno. So let's model this guy. You don't want to go too deep into it. You just want to break the flavors of the actual jalapeno and make sure that you model also the cilantro. Put them on the side. Let's get some ice. For this guy, we're going to shake really good. All right, so we're going to use martini glasses, but obviously if you want to put them in a cocktail, in a normal rocks glass, that's going to be okay. I always suggest to have your baby spheres, just to keep your cocktail nice and chill. And we're going to do what is called the double strain. So you have 1 strainer here for the big parts, then you're going to go for the fine parts. You don't want to have a small little pieces of cilantro all over your face while you're talking or having a good conversation with your friends. For your garnish, let's go for something really simple. 2 thin lime wheels, little leaves of the cilantro on top of your lemons. And there you have it, you guys. The spicy hibiscus vodka cocktail.